Well, hello everybody out there on the internet. This is RealmanPwns. And today for Memorial Day, actually the day before Memorial Day, I'm making my peanut butter and barbecue sauce chicken in the Crockpot. And I switched it up a little bit. Instead of using chicken thighs, I'm going to be using leg quarters. And I'll be making a little bit more than before. I got a couple small onions. And let's see what we got here. Let me rinse my knife off. Here we go. Now, this is how you dice up an onion. You cut it along the stem side in half. Keep these tops here. See these tops? You won't keep that. This is the end you won't get rid of. A little more. Get rid of that end. Get rid of that end. And now you'll just go like this. I'm doing a video, thank you. And you just do little slices. Try to keep them like that. Without going all the way through. You want to keep. That's why you keep that top. Although my skills aren't that great. And then you do about a little bit through the top and a little through the center. And then, boom. And get rid of that. Don't need that. Right there. And don't need that. Don't need that. There we go. Perfectly chopped onions. You do the same with the other half. I hope I'm getting this right. I think I need to angle this camera better. There we go. I think that's better. Hopefully. There we go. That's one. And then we do the other. Alrighty, now we got our chicken quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is the equivalent of 12 thighs. And the last time I made the recipe I had 8 thighs. So this is a bigger recipe. And we're going to season them nice. So get some pepper. Himalayan pink salt. You can use regular salt if you don't have any pink salt. Oh, that is looking nice. Now we're going to turn them over and do the other sides. And get a little water right now. Always want to not cross-contaminate with your chicken. Alright, salt. salt and pepper. Mix again. And now we got our pan heating on medium-high. And we're going to put some Carapelli Delizia. Carapelli Firenze Delizia. Olive oil from Italy. Oh, about 3 tablespoons. Okay. Roll it around. Let it get hot. Woo, let me turn the light on. Oh, the light is on. So I'll get right back with you. Alrighty, now let's start adding our chicken. We're going to do bottom size first. Look at that sizzle. I don't know if I can do these all. I might have to do this in batches. Yeah, I'll have to do these in batches. I'll do 3 first, and then I'll do the other 3. Let me turn it around. There. So we got 3 going, and we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes, flipping over as needed. Alrighty, well the first 3 are ready, and I'm going to take them and put them in the crock pot. I need to put this in something so the grease don't grip. Put that on top. Alright. Boom. And I increased this to high. In case you didn't know, now I'll put the other 3 in. Get that going. Put the lid on. And put these in the crock pot. Here we go, in the crock pot. Alright. Put these in the crock pot. This is really going to fill up this crock pot. So, we'll see. Now, I got all my chicken in there. I'm going to go ahead and put it on low. Now that I've poured some of the oil out and left just a little bit, I'm going to add my onions. That's what I'm talking about right there. Stir them right up in there. Getting all them bits up off the bottom. We'll cook them till a little translucent, and we'll add the garlic. Now we add some garlic. That's about the last of that garlic. Turn that down to medium. Pat it on high. Now we add the big, I'm going to make 3 big scoops of peanut butter. 2, 3. Close that up. And I got some generic, I didn't get the Sweet Baby Ray's, I got the cheap Kraft honey barbecue. Stir that in there. With the onions, with the onions. We're going to put this whole 28-ounce bottle, 27-ounce bottle of honey barbecue sauce in there, which is more than the last time I made this. So let's get it in there. Get it all in there. All right, let me tighten it up. There'll be more in there in a minute. Just down to medium. Oh, that's looking nice. That's thick. Alright, let's get back in there so we can get some more in there. Alright. The rest will get in there a little later. And get back with you. Alrighty, now we got our sauce, and we're gonna put it over our chicken. Right in there, all over that chicken. Coat it all. Get all as much as we can. And that's that. 2.5 hours to 3.5 hours on low. Well, hello everybody out there in the internet. This is RealmanPwns, and I'd already made a video of this portion, but I had to remake it because I thought the music was playing. I forgot. So what I did was, after the 3.5 hours, I turned it on high, and I switched up the top 3 chickens and put them on the bottom 3, and the bottom 3 on the top 3, and then have it 20 minutes on high with the lid off. So that's how you do it. Alrighty, it's done. Let me turn it off. Alrighty, get my bowl, my spoon. Put the spoon there. And get the tongs. I don't want that one, I want this one. No, that's too small. That's the one I want. Right there. And now we get some of this sauce. There we go. Now that's the bomb. Oh, that tastes so good. This has been RealmanPwns with peanut butter barbecue sauce leg quarters.